guys, well, good afternoon, YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how I do my stew beans that I can use for fried beans, rice and beans, anything that you can use beans for. This is how I make my beans Belizean style. And I'm going to use my crock pot. So first we're going to I already cleaned off my island prior to starting the video. Make sure everything is cleaned properly. And now we're just going to pour our pack of beans on the island. I don't use 2 packs because my crock pot isn't that big. This is, let me show you. This is the size I have, and I'll only be doing 1.5. So this is one bag I just spread it here, and I'm going to pour half of this bag in addition to that. Save this for another time. Save for another time. Yeah. See, sometimes when I speak, my Belizean side tries to pop out and it just makes me sound way off. So just excuse that. And why I do this is because, look, I found a rock in the bag of beans. So that's why I do it this way first. I spread it all out. And I take out all the rocks or bad beans that I find. See, this one's all shriveled up. I don't use those. And if it's like cracked and looks black, I definitely don't use those. So just spread them out and take a good look. Take out what you don't like. So here's another shriveled up one. And let's take a look here. Take out all of these. It's just how I do it. You know, you can keep those if you want, I guess. It's choice. Everyone has a choice, and I choose not to keep those cracked ones. And I'm gonna just put it in my bowl. Oops. Looks like some are cracking. I'm trying to get them up. So the next step would be to clean the beans. So I'm going to just walk over to my sink here. I'll be back shortly. Just pour some warm water over them. I usually do it like 2 or 3 times. Rinse them off about 2 or 3 times. Now they're all washed and clean. Just gonna sit these here to soak while I cut up. I usually just use the garlic powder. I don't have much left, So I'm also going to cut up this little clove of garlic right here as well. Oops.
Yeah.
Don't mind my son. He ain't got no manners. I told him I'm making a video. They don't care. Anyways, I'm going to wash this again, even though I washed it prior to starting. Cut the ends off of this garlic. I'm just gonna slice this up pretty thinly. Big chunks of garlic, so I chop it up very fine. Yeah. Well, I hope everyone's day is going well. Just said let me get up and do something constructive, so let me make a YouTube video. I want to get more into making and posting more videos. I'm new to this, but gotta start somewhere at some point, right? So this is basically as fine as I'll go. I'll put this aside. And I'm gonna cut up a piece of this onion here. Just gonna chop that end off. Chop this in the middle one more time. You don't want to cut this up too fine because it's going to melt anyways. Yeah, it's burning my eyes a little bit. Now we're going to cut up some sweet peppers, some green bell peppers. Oh, my eyes are burning. Let's hope I don't chop my finger off. Okay. I don't like my bell peppers chunky in my beans, so I'm just going to chop them up a little bit. This adds like so much flavor to it, but I don't like it in big chunks. So, just going to chop it up a little finer. Get one more piece here. I feel like adding more onions, but just leave it the way it is. Don't want my eyes to burn anymore, so that's just gonna be that. I'm just gonna put these aside. Put those up in a few. Now, your beans are gonna start to look shriveled like that. I'm gonna bring my crock pot over here. I'm just gonna pour it all in here. your beans until they're softened and fully cooked. I add salt to taste after it's cooked. Spill one more black pepper. Put it in my crock pot. I need some more water. I usually fill it up because it's gonna boil down. And I'm going to the gym and then I have to get to work. And I don't want to forget it and all the water boils out. So I fill it up with water like that. Yep. And then I just cover it. Put the timer on. Well, yeah, put it on high. That's what I do. Mine only has off, keep warm, low and high. Put it on high. And by this evening, around 5, I'll get to like 6 and it's gonna be done by then. And then you can make, bless me. If you said bless you, thank you. And yes, so that's how I do my beans. And you can make Belizean rice and beans, you can make fried beans, whatever you can do, eat with beans, you can add this and cook it like this and it's gonna be bomb. I promise you. But that's it. Oh, yeah. This Marie Sharp with my beans, fire. Anyways, thanks for watching. Check my video out, like, subscribe, share, do all that. See you soon.